items up for review. We have the Lacdo Eva portable carrying case right here, and we have the My Passport portable storage, which is 2 terabytes by Western Digital. Now this is just going to be a brief review on these two, brief unboxing, and let's tell you my views on how I find it over time. Since this is more or less the second time I'm buying a similar product from both Western Digital and, well, just another generic carrying case for it. Now this I would have bought on Amazon. It was $8.99. Here's a brief opening of it. It comes in a plastic. They both came in a nice box, and then you just open up the plastic and you have access to it. So here's it. Doesn't really say much. It's just the plastic can be dangerous, to avoid danger, and it comes with the information in it as well, which is large and the size is blue. Now you just open it up. There you have it. It comes with a handy strap if you want to carry it around. This is where you would store your cables. Oh, I like the feeling inside here actually. It's like furry. I guess you can store SD cards here as well if you want to store something here, which is probably very useful. And in here is where you would store the portable hard drive, external hard drive. Now the aim of this thing is to do shock resistant and be shock proof. Now I'm not sure how much resistance this will do, but I think it should be alright. It should be fine. I guess we'll see over time. But there you can see the name, the brand right here. Not sure how well you can see it, but yeah, it's right here. And okay, well, that's more or less it for this. Now we move on to the next item, which is my Western Digital My Passport. Now I prefer this in many ways because it has internal, or comes with software that provides security. Now the importance of this is that if someone takes it or if you lose it, you don't have to worry about your information being compromised because it's encrypted, and only those with the password can actually get onto the device, which I find very useful in the one that I have currently. The one that I have is currently a different model. I'm probably show you how that is. So it comes in. Let's see. Okay, little handy unboxing item. Comes up. Wow. Inside you have the case. Nothing else inside the box, as you can see. And you just have the external hard drive right here. It has a cute little case, I must say. Very cute. You might actually leave it, but it fit? No, it won't fit. So you just open it up, and wow, this is thin. This is really, really thin. Wow. Now, see, this is really thin. I mean, they've really run out. They really outdid themselves. Now, the previous version I had was thick. It was, let's say about this, about thick. I might be able to show you in another installment of this, but this is what we have here. This is really thin. This is like a true passport. We have the different software that comes with it. You have the backup, security, drive utilities, and then, oh yes, for macOS you have something different as well. So for both macOS and Windows 10. And of course you would have the cable. Basically just connect it to here. The standard cable that you use with external hard drives, more or less. USB 3.0, Type A to USB 3.0 cable, as you can see. So yes, this is just a look at it. Now to see how they use the two of them together, you put this in here. Now this might be just shimmy light through this, but you put this in here and voila.